It's early in the morning. I just got into work. I had quite a welcoming party, which I'll show you the video of in just a second, but there's someone else here. Kind of beat me to work this morning. Let me get out and see if I can get a photo here. Show you who's up here. It's pretty cool working at a nature center when you can come in the morning and right up here, I can't zoom in on this camera, but that is a bald eagle hanging out here this morning. I had a nice welcoming party just down the road when I came in, and I'm going to play you that video clip right now. So those are sandhill cranes hanging out in the driveway at work. It's a really awesome time of year to see everything coming back. It's rainy today on March 15th, teaching some maple syrping programs today. Although I'm kind of feeling like most of the maple sap has stopped flowing for now unless we get another cold snap. There was ants crawling all over some of the maple spiles yesterday. It's kind of gross. But you know, spring is coming on, and there'll be more and more sightings to come.